this corona COVID-19 pandemic has brought untold suffering to many of us. Kenyans who have NHIF cover have been told by the national government that NHIF does not have money to cover their medical expenses arising out of COVID-19. It is unfortunate that the nation is leaving its people to their own vagaries while spending untold amount of resources to campaign for a document that they are telling us it will help Kenya, yet we have a nation that needs to be helped right now from the corona pandemic. We want to ask the President, you need to rein in on your government and ensure that the priorities are reorganized. Let us battle and save lives of Kenyans suffering from coronavirus. Then we can deal with issues of referendum and BBI once we have secured the lives of Kenyans. And I want to say in Nandi County, we will not agree and will not accept those signatures. Mtu asikuja kujaribu kutafuta signatures hapa. Kuna mtu atapeana signature katika kaunti yetu ya Nandi. Twende tafutia mahali ingine. Ile kitu tunataka hapa ni kusaidia wananchi kuhakikisha ya kwamba ile shida wamepata kupitia kwa coronavirus na majanga mengine tumesaidia hiyo. Mambo ya kutafuta prime minister na deputy watafute, hakuna mtu anataka prime minister Nandi. Let us reorganize our priorities as a nation.